Assalamu alaikum. So, with this new episode of the short course on stress management, I am Dr. Yahya Noori. You can think of whatever stresses you. So, there would be a list of a few things, and you can make that list. And inshallah, during this course, you'll probably get a clue that how to manage that. The root of the stress is an unorganized life. So, I'll tell you how to organize it. So, I'll give you a very strange type of tip which might sound unfamiliar to you, but it's more natural, more biological. So, you lose the control of your day and you get overwhelmed by the tasks you have. The tasks you have would be high priority tasks and some low priority tasks. And the secret of spending the day productively is to organize them as such. So when should you start your day? You should start your day at the Maghrib time. So the sun has set, the nature has given you a signal that your day has ended. The lunar calendar starts right away. That is the time when you're done with the Maghrib prayers, you should sit down and think of the next day, that how you are going to spend that. So you should think of the main tasks you have at hand and you should categorize them as the most important tasks and a little bit less important tasks, and you should number them 1, 2, 3. And remember that there would be tasks which are really urgent and important, and there would be tasks which are important but they're not urgent. So there are some long-term tasks related to your development, your career growth, your personal growth. So you should prioritize them as well. So you should also plan that you will spend so and so much time doing those tasks and what time have you blocked for these particular tasks. So once you are done with the planning, you should start executing your plan. Should get to bed early, should get up early in the morning, and you should start working on your tasks right away. You will never lose control of your day if you have marked certain points of the day and fixed them. So for us Muslims, the 5 prayers are the best way to mark your day, and they will never let your day slip away. So you offer your prayers at the fixed time and then build your schedule around that. So for example, after Asr prayer, 1 hour after Asr what you will do, 1 hour before Asr what you will start. So you can plan your tasks around those prayer times, and that is quite an effective way of managing your day. Once you are done with the important tasks, then you can go on and complete rest of your work and the stuff which has been thrown at you by the others. So once you have a tight control over your day, how you are spending it, and you are actually keeping a track of your activities, it will be an organized day, and each organized day will be a unit of an organized life, and an organized life is generally less stressful. That's all for today. I'll see you again inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.